This tutorial shows how to use the Orchestration Studio to create a connector service request. Add a connector service request to an orchestration to enable it to invoke another orchestration or a REST service or a database on an external system. You can also configure a connector to invoke an Enterprise One notification. In this tutorial, we'll create a connector service request to invoke an orchestration, specifically an orchestration designed to place a credit hold on a customer in Enterprise One. A connector is a type of service request, so from the Orchestration Studio homepage, let's access the Service Request page. From this page, we'll select Create Service Request to create a new connector. Here on the Connector Design page, first we need to give the connector service request a name associated with the product code and provide a description. Next, we need to select a connection. A connection is created through a soft coding record, which you can create in the Orchestration Studio. A soft coding record provides access to other resources on external systems. Because the orchestration that we are connecting to is in the same local environment, we'll select the Local Orchestrations connection. Now we can click in the Orchestration field to see a list of orchestrations available through the local connection. Here we'll select the Credit Hold orchestration. The Credit Hold orchestration contains a single input, which the Studio displays in the grid. The Studio automatically generates a variable to pass in data to this input. You can modify the variable name, but for our purposes, we'll use the default name. Lastly, save the connector. That's it. We've successfully created a connector service request that, when configured with an orchestration, will invoke another orchestration to place a customer's credit limit on hold. To learn more about the features shown here and other connector service request features, see the Orchestrator Guide and visit us online at learnjde.com.